Hi, hello friends. This is Chandrasekhar, and I wanted to let you know about a small introduction about myself and my training about the mule and my trainer about the Sam. Also, actually, guys, I've completed my graduation 11. I mean, it's nearly like 9 to 10 years before, and from that onwards, I'm from the computer science background, but I was very afraid of about the coding part and everything, and I thought of doing, I was working in a BPO till now, and I thought of working in a move towards the mule, but it was my past 3 years plan. I wanted to move to the mule, but I've got trained for like one or two institutions and online courses, and suddenly when I'm looking into the social media, I've found this Sam J's videos and all, and I've started working with the Sam J. I mean, taking a training from Sam J. It was a beautiful, guys. The explanation about him and the programming about him, the teaching about him, how it made me very, it gave me some sort of energetic and some sort of change in my mind, stating that yes, even I can learn or write programming about a mule ford. It was such a wonderful and very easy, guys. I really appreciate Sam, because it was my life turning and life changing part, learning with Sam, and in few months, or and I mean it's not few months, or it might take few weeks, I complete my mule ford training also. And I knew if I would be with Sam J, I will really success in my life, and my the problems which I face now, it will be really changed. And you don't believe, guys, the Sam J training was, it's a really, I've never seen such a wonderful training, the point to point, the contact about the specific person in a group, and the explanation of the way he explains, for example, if there is any programming related, in three ways he will be explaining about the, he will just explain in a description language, like the paragraphs he will write, and even he will use the blackboard, and at the same time he will be using his the programming, the software what we are just using for the mule for and everything. I just really appreciate that learning, guys. Even I'm also a trainer for one of the companies from past 3 to 4 years, but really I've never seen such a training. So I've attended a lot of training people, and as I've said you previously, I even took training previously with 2 to 3 people, and saw in many videos, but never guys, I've seen such a wonderful person, guys. Please, guys, if you are want to really change, please try to go through with the Sam J videos or Sam J training. It's really my life changing, and I do really, it's a great honor for me in getting like such a trainer for me to change my life, really. Thank you, I appreciate that. Thank you once again for the Sam. And the explanation about the mule 4, it was superb, it was fantastic. Any person till now, I'm telling it, right, it's been 9 years, I don't know even the program, except the programming spelling, I don't know anything. But still, the way he teach the pre-training, the post-training analysis, everything, he will be giving point to point details and explanation. And the at between, when the training is going on, at the end, after the training session, he will be keeping some, he will be posting some sort of test knowledge or questions in the Telegram or whatever the group he will be, either how much we have understood and what. And also, he will give us a lot of time, guys. Really, you don't believe, I've never seen such type of time people giving to us when we are taking training from someone else. I really appreciate. Once again, thanks Sam, thank you very much, and thank you. That's it. Wish you good luck.